To increase your website search rankings for the keyword and keyword phrases that are ideal for your audience, you should combine a series of strategies. Nothing is immediate, and outside paid advertising, organic search traffic takes time.
Building content that can be crawled and ranked with authority is not a quick and easy solution. Begin with keyword research so you are clear on what exactly you want to rank for and if it's realistic.
If you're aiming for local search ranking, keep in mind the way search works with proximity, prominence, and relevance.
Evaluate if work needs to be done on your actual website to improve search ranking. Make sure your website loads quickly, has a great mobile experience, and is filled with quality content that uses keywords in a natural and genuine way.
Then, once you are assured your website is optimized, spend some time on OffPage SEO with opportunities that allow backlinks from directory listings and social media platforms.
A combination of all these tactics gives you the best chance at increasing the search ranking for the right keyword phrases. Think of it like a conversation between you and the search engine as you explain what your business is all about. If you speak their language, search engines will happily serve your website to visitors.
As you've seen throughout this course, increasing your website search traffic is way more than just a few keywords. Choosing the right strategies and tactics to rank in top search engine results will help your business grow.